going on, guys? It's been a long time, actually. Thanksgiving was yesterday, so I couldn't make a video because I was somewhere, And I gotta tell you something. Here, I'm gonna show you outside my apartment. Look. Hold up, I'm gonna make it focus. Nobody else. Can you see a little bit? Like, there's nobody outside. Like, nobody wants to come outside. And plus, yeah, I'm watching something right now. Say this. Come here. So, basically, nobody really cares about my channel, Some people react to it, some people don't. I don't get a lot of love in the YouTube world, And, okay, I'm gonna ask you something. Thumbs this up if you don't want my YouTube channel to end. Thumbs this down if you want it to end. Or just comment. Do it right now. Yeah. Peace out.